We will talk about how can you disable artist messages, emails, notifications on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, just click on it here. We just click here on photo profile, it's going to take you to this is here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications. When you just click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to artists, messages, emails. Click here in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color, it's gone. That's mean artists, messages, emails, notifications, disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.